Morning. Morning. Morning! Morning. Back again for another vlog. Although this time it will be a vlog, not just me doing an entry and then just doing a load of other videos from everyone else from Jack Show. So today, pretty special day, really. I've been waiting to get my hands on this for probably since November last year, when me and Dan, the owner, we're discussing it. Now, I've got a nice little surprise for you all. Yes, it is another Honda. Some of you already knows that. You won't be disappointed. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's too good of a car to pass up, and as it's from a good friend of mine, I think it'd be rude of me not to finish it off. Alright, we're gonna have a little look under here, see what the money shot's like, where the Beauty K will sit. Fucking buckets everywhere. No beauty. Right, first job, got to try and get subframe and rack back on, and I'm guessing the bolts are down there. Right, a bit dodgy this bit. Having to borrow someone's jack to fucking get subframe up. But fuck it. It'll go in, boys, and it'll be a good evening. It's outside to fucking fit now. So, schoolboy error. Didn't even notice this, and now subframe's already up. So, don't matter. I'll fit it another time. But at least I've got one. So yeah, those of you that know Dan, know he's a bit of a perfectionist. I mean, it's even got fucking red glitter in it. Does look pretty sick, like. Does look good. So, subframes tight at the front. Got all these bolts here to try and remember where they all go. And yeah, guess it's going to be a case of what is. Alright, not made as much progress as I ideally wanted. But subframe's on. Just hooked one of the arms up because I can't find the other bolt. It's in there somewhere apparently. So yeah, I'm gonna come back on on Sunday, have another look, try and get the front end all squared up. Basically, pissing in the wind, so to speak. It is an absolute scorcher down here today. Red on. And I've got my trackies on. But yeah, we're off to see Jonesy. I've tried ringing him, but never answers his phone. Sports car no takimasu! Jonesy, top fact on why you love Hondas.
It's savage, isn't it?
Savage. We know that's not the real reason. What do you love to do?
Bashing tech.
Guys, silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Now, as I was saying, drugs are bad. You shouldn't do drugs.
I have a feeling there is an amazing van. Wow. Duh! Where is he? Mr. DJ Carpenter. Hey, bro. Right, good news. The Messiah's here.
Hello. Hello, hello.
One is on and done. Still searching for the other bolt. Fuck! So after all this time, we've literally just fucking found it in a box. Kip at bottom. Nobody likes a kip at bottom. Bad kip at Hello! Alright, so we've got a great method to keep a lower arm up so it don't keep smashing me in the face. Jonesy's gonna tie a PlayStation 2 cable through. Go on, get a through, lad. There we go. Right up duct pipe, through all. Is she gonna go? Is she gonna go? She go. Yeah, boy. Suspect workmanship right there. No. Alright. Okay then. Right. Ah, fuck me. Right, take two. Subframes on, subframes tight, lower arms done. That's about as much as I can do on the front because I need suspension units, top camber arms. I need to get some hubs to go on these buttes, some trap rod ends, a few other bits up front, and then that'll be rolling. Sean's on with some other bits. Hello, Sean. And we're saying goodbye to this one. Senor Peeler.
Senor. What?
Oh, just like that.
Why?
Oh, scheisse! Look at these beauties. Hello. Hello. Duh. Ah, yeah. There she is, little by little. Peeler! Look at that finish. Beautiful. Right. Rear trailing arm. Need to get this bad boy on. But I don't have any bolts for it. So. I'll go see Terry at RHD next week. See if he can order me some bolts up. Get these fitted, and hopefully Carl has got some spare LCAs and suspension so I can get this down. But yeah, just waiting for him to call me back and we'll see what's what. But yeah, I guess that's it really for today. Been a pretty busy old day. So yeah. Ciao.